Alright, welcome back to the live. Literally, yeah, just bought gold now. As you can see, just bought it. So, initially, I'm gonna set my stop loss just below this previous support level. You see, price closed back above it, which is a good indication that price is now ready to move to the upside. So we're gonna put our stop loss at. Oh gosh, that's better. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. So we're gonna put our stop loss at 4238.00. So that's gonna be our stop loss for this trade. I'm gonna hold this for around 100 pips as well. Alright, cool. Alright, let's see how this trade plays out. This week's been a bit rocky. Fortunately, I broke my screen on my phone, so I haven't been able to go on live all this week. So let's catch this trade live. See how this play out. So the trade before was a previous trade that I took as well. So we're just gonna see how this trade plays out. See how it goes. Not looking good. This is not looking good. Alright, let's see if that previous support level can hold. If price not hold, if price can stay above it, then good. But I was worried about, you can see this temporary resistant level. You see price came and touched it again. If price was to close back above it, then I would say, yeah, we're good to go towards the upside. But this might come down and touch, obviously, our EMA. Yeah, this trade probably is going to hit, you know. Don't know if this stop loss is too tight. Oh, that's actually good. I feel like this trade can breathe a bit, only because either way price is going back up is what we want, which is good. Cool. I was thinking I might move my stop loss obviously to 42.37.5, but we'll see how this trade plays out anyway. Just gonna change my stop loss to 42.37.5. See, this is the area that I don't like. This area here where price is playing about. I don't like it. No, that don't look good. Alright, let me look at it on a 5-minute time frame. Everything's lining up nicely on a 5-minute time frame. 15 minutes look good. 1 hour. Alright, cool. Alright, it's a waiting game. Yeah, this don't look good. So, the sellers are still in control. Buyers are still in control at the moment. But if it does close below my greeting, it made them in problems. I just need price to stay up. It's moving nice. So basically I bought a 6K funded nets account yesterday as well. So that's this previous trade. What account I took it on. I do need price to break below above that temporary support, temporary resistant level. If price can close above my blue line, then above our temporary our 1 minute resistant level, then I'm expecting it to hit TP. Just very cautious at the moment. And if this trade don't work out, it's going to be a bit awkward. So price react to interested to see how price react around that wick. So it's a waiting game. Most of my entries are on a 1 minute time frame, so I like to manage my trade, watch it, see how it reacts when it gets to each level. But like I said, these two areas are very interesting. I do need price to break above it. If price can break above my blue line and my temporary resistant level, then expecting it to hit TP. But you can see it's failing. It's not closing above it. Price is staying above my trend line, which is good. Oh, that closes shooting started having problems. No, yeah. 5 seconds left for that to close. Alright, now this is where the problem starts. Yep. Now we're at risk of losing this trade. Oh wow. Alright, so we've got the buyers coming back in control, which is good. This is the push I'm after. This is the push that I want. So now I just need price to close above it. Remember I said this resistant level here, what I'm a bit worried about. Price is failing to break that. These other two levels I felt like it was going to fail to break over. The blue line, yeah, okay, it is failing to break above it. So we'll wait and see. It's a waiting game. No. That's not the closure I wanted. So now all these wicks up, yeah. All those wicks failing to close above. Temporary blue line. Yeah, this don't. Cool. This candlestick's gonna close in 2 seconds. Can we get the close above? That's what I'm after. All right. Still moving choppy. This candlestick's gonna close in literally 25 seconds. I need a solid bullish. I need a very solid bullish closure above that blue line, and then I will need it close above my 1 minute resistant level. All right, let me see where. All right, 50 pips is around here. All right, cool. That's the close I'm looking. That is the closure I'm looking for. Got it. All right, let's see how the rest plays out. It's perfect. Right, that's not looking good. The problem we have here now is obviously the rejection, the shooting star of our 1 hour resistant level. This ain't looking good. Let's press. Come on. Now we can move our stop loss to break even. Perfect. This is what I'm after. Cool. So now this trade is a risk free running trade. What have I done? Ah, right, that is a big closure down below. We've got a risk-free running trade, which is the main thing. Ooh. Alright, you see. It's running on the funding pips account. That's my live account, so that funded account is live. Let's get back in. I told you about this area here. This area. What should we need? No, I need this one in here. Oh, that don't mess up. Oh, look, that's annoying. So we'll just leave it like that. Alright, cool. There you go, it's running. We leave it like that running. Oh, that's annoying. Let me see it. Alright, cool. So now I'm expecting this trade to hit TP. Nice movement. Like I said, we've closed above this level here. I'm expecting price shoot up now. The only thing can stop this yet is a closure back down below our resistant level. Price needs to hold and stay above. Wow. What's going on? Perfect, perfect. That's the move I'm after. We are moving to RTP. Remember, this trade's running free. This trade's at break even. I don't even right, I'm holding this trade for like 100 pips. So you can see there, that's my oh, what's going on there? Oh wow, it hit. Perfect. So that was my funded pip account. Oh. Alright, cool. Cool. And this is, no, the first one I showed you my funded nets. This is the funded pips account. You see trades running that. Cool. Hit TP, come on. So they want to mess up the trade, but I want to show you what's going on. Look, that's how far it is from hitting TP. Hopefully it hits. Lovely free running trade. Oh, wicked. Alright, so that's it, people. Banked. That was a trade I took live on TikTok. You can see 100 pips. Neat. Look. Yeah, we're done. Actually done. See, that's the trade that I took today. You see the date there. Cool. Position 2.5, $250. That's me done for today. Like I said, I trade on TikTok live every day. This trade worked. What time did I take this trade at? Literally 2:10 London time. I was in this trade for like 15 minutes, 100 pips. It's all there, man. Done it live on TikTok. Showed you all my accounts. Like I said, I got 3 accounts. Funny enough, I didn't take it on my futures. I should have took that trade on my futures as well today to show you that if you're trading futures as well, yeah, also catching that as well. All right, cool. Peace out. Gonna end the live. Yeah, it's very, very, very easy today, this trade. Yeah, one of my quickest live. All right, cool. Don't forget, join me. I'll be trading back on Mondays. I don't trade Fridays. Don't forget, follow me on TikTok. Yeah, live. See you in the next session.